In this tutorial, we will review CATIA's Symmetry tool. First, I'll create a rectangle. Now, I'll create a line. Let's select our rectangle, and we will select the Symmetry tool from the Operation toolbar. In the information corner, we see the message, "Select the line or axis from which the elements will remain equidistant." I'll select this line. As you can see, the rectangle jumped symmetrically across the line. Click Undo. Now I'm going to create a circle. I'm going to Control-select the rectangle again and select the Symmetry tool. Now I select my line, and you see both the rectangle and the circle jumped across the line at equal distances. Once again, I'll select the Symmetry tool. In the information corner, we see the message, "Select the set of elements to be symmetrized." We select the circle and click on this line of the rectangle. Now the circle has jumped to an equidistant position from this line, and this concludes our tutorial on the Symmetry tool.